everybody, my name is Elizabeth Torres. I'm a paparazzi consultant since July 2014. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm going to show you in this video what comes in your starter kit. There are 3 different starter kits. You could choose whichever one you want. There's a $99 kit, there's a $2.99 kit, and there's a $4.99 kit. You buy these kits only once, so you have to choose one of those 3. You buy it once only, and then after that, you buy each piece individually. It's $2.75 each piece after that. You can buy whatever style you want, whatever pieces you want, how many quantities you want. You can buy that. All right. So some of the things that people ask me, one of the major question is, can I pick my pieces? Well, no, you cannot pick your pieces from the starter kit. You cannot pick those pieces because those are already chosen by the paparazzi stylists. So that is really, they make it really easy for you, because if you're new and you do not know what your clients want, you do not know their taste in jewelry, you don't know what to order. So you're gonna have 100 pieces to order from, and you do not know what to order. So Paparazzi makes it really easy for you. They give you a big variety of pieces for different people, and you're gonna meet and you're gonna show the jewelry to. So you're gonna be surprised that maybe something for you do not like, but then you're gonna sell it first than anything else. So that happens a lot, all right? So that is really good for us. So the 99 kit, it has a retail value of $175. You're gonna earn back what you invested, the 99, and you're gonna have a profit of $76 for you. All right, so you earn a 45% on that kit, which is really, really good. That's $76 you do not have. All right, so, and then we have the $2.99 kit, which includes, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not sure if I said it, but the 99 kit includes 35 pieces. So the $2.99 kit includes 120 pieces. It has a retail value of $600, and you're gonna earn back what you invested, the $2.99, and plus you're gonna have a profit of $301 for you. That's for you. That's clean. That's yours. All right. So you could do whatever you want with that. So it's really, really awesome, because you're receiving 50% of what you've invested. You earn back 50%. That's amazing, all right? And you have 120 pieces, and this is a kit I really recommend, and it's the kit I started with. I really recommend it because when you start with the 99 kit, it only brings 35 pieces. You're gonna do so well if you show those pieces. You're not gonna have any more jewelry, and you have to put another order. So I really recommend the 299 kit because you have 120 pieces, so you don't have to make another order quickly. All right. But if you could only buy the 99 kit, that's fine. Just start with that. All right. And then the last kit is the 499 kit. That includes 200 pieces. That is a retail value of $1,000. You invest $499 and you're gonna profit $501. All right, so that is amazing. That is 50% for your for yourself, for your profit, for you, for your pocket. And other than that, that 49 kit, which I really, really recommend, includes the convention ticket of that year. If you're seeing this now in March, you're gonna have the ticket to go to convention in August, and which is held in Las Vegas. Every year is held in Las Vegas. So you already have the convention ticket. You only have to pay for the airfare and the hotel, and that's it. And we have special prices for the hotel, okay, with Paparazzi. So that's already included in your kit. If you could get the $499 kit, girl, go get it, all right? Or man, go get it, all right? The $499 kit is awesome. So I'm going to show now what comes in the kit. Let's start over here. You're going to get a package of bags. There are 100 bags here, all right? So you can start and you can get those jewelry inside and send them out immediately when they buy from you, or you can have your launch party. And here you have your little bags to show. You're going to get this little sticker. You can stick it in your car, a bumper sticker I think it's called. So, oh, it's a window decal. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. So you're going to get this. It's really cute. You can put it in your car so people already identify you. These, what I'm showing right now, it's included in all the packages, in all the kits, all right? In all the starter kits, I'm showing you what's already included, all right? So you're going to get these thank you cards, Really, really cute thank you cards with the envelope. All right. And you are going to get invitations for your launch party or every other party you're going to get. Look at it here. Oh. All right. So this is really awesome. You're going to hand these invitations to your friends and family so they can come over and see the jewelry for themselves. You're going to get one of these little loyalty client cards. So every time they buy from you, when they reach 12 pieces, you give them a free piece. All right. So these come in are client loyalty cards. Really cute, and it's really good for those clients that always comes over. All right. You're going to get this awesome agenda. You're going to see my light right there. That's my light. You're going to see this. You're going to get this awesome planner. It's a party planner. And this is really, really awesome, you guys. All right, you're going to have here in the first pages, they're going to explain absolutely everything about Paparazzi. You have the compensation plan right here on the first page. You're going to see the prizes that you can earn. When you rank up, what are the prizes that they're going to give you. This planner, I love it. I just love it. Because you have all the information you need to know about Paparazzi, okay? You have the life of party, recognition, fashion fix, all the information. You're going to find it on the first pages of this planner, all right? So this planner is amazing. It's completely in blank, so you can write in the, let me see if you can see it. Oh, there you go. So you can write in the dates, the months, and all that, all right? And then you have your notes in the back, your note pages there, and each month, all right? Per day, per week. So this is awesome. It already comes in your kit. So I love this. This is really good. All right. And then they're going to include how can you call this? I'm sorry. Forgot the name of this. But sometimes some of the pieces, some of the jewelry might come and they got loosened in one side, and then you can just fix it up yourself. So this is a repair kit. There you go. It's a repair kit. It's going to come in here. What you see here are like little hoops, little things that you can use to repair your necklaces, all right? So if something does happen to your necklaces and it come out loose on one side, you can fix it from your house, and it comes with a little, I don't know, this. I forget the names, all right? So it comes with this, and sorry, it's a little rusty because it's as old as mine, all right? So it comes in your kit. What I'm showing you guys is everything that comes in each kit, all right? You are going to get your compensation plan. This is a really cute thing. Compensation plan. It's all detailed here. You can give this out to people that are your prospects they want to know a little about Paparazzi. You have the frequently asked questions right there. All right, so this is amazing for those that are interested in joining your team. You have the party checklist. So you can use this for when you're doing your launch party. So you can use this in all other parties. All right, it's from the front and the back. It's like a checklist, and you can see, okay, what do I need to do to make this party happen? So it's a really good tool for you. You have the new consultant checklist, which is when a team member enters your team, what are the things that you should be showing them? What are the things that you should be helping them with? All right, so you have that checklist. And you have this last one is the application. For those that want to join your team, they can fill out the application and they can buy the kit, all right? So I think it's like five of each of these papers are going to arrive, little packets of those papers, all right? So you're going to have those. I think it's 5 to 10 of each one. All right, so and then you are going to get this amazing box, all right? This amazing box, I have no idea what's it called, but I think it's like a memory box or something like that. So look at that logo, huge logo on the front. So you're going to get this little box, and you can store your jewelry here while you start growing and start earning and start building up your display items, all right? So you can hold that in here. All right, so the last things I'm going to show, and I did it on purpose because it will vary in your kits. If in the 99 kit, you're going to get less, and the 299 and the 499 kit, you're going to get more. All right, so for example, in your 99 kit, you are going to get one of these. All right, so you can display your necklaces on this. Let me see if I have a necklace here I can handy that I can show you guys. Sorry, give me a second. All right, so you're gonna get this. All right, so you can display your necklaces on this. It is awesome. You're just gonna get one of these in your 99 kit. But if you buy the $2.99 kit, you are going to get one of these, and you are going to get a ring display. All right, so you can put your rings on this, which also looks awesome. Let me put another one here so you guys can see it. There you go. All right, so you have a ring display there. So that's what the $2.99 kit. $2.99 kit, you get those two. The $4.99 kit, you are going to get this little box. This is a bracelet displayer. You're going to place your bracelet right there, and you are going to get an earring display. All right, so you're going to place the earrings there. There's two little holes in there. You might not see it, but you're going to get all this. All right, and your $4.99 kit, these four comes in. All right, so remember, only the 99 kit brings the bust. The $2.99 kit brings these two, and the $4.99 kit brings all of these. All right. Another thing that comes differently in your kit are the hooks. You are going to get these hooks so you can put them as a display and hang your jewelry there. All right, let me show you an example. See? Hang your jewelry right there. And this is going to go into your pegboard. Your pegboards. You can find those at Lowe's or Home Depot, whatever is close to you. So you can use these hooks there, all right? So you can display your items. In the 99 kit, you're going to get only 25 of these. In the $2.99 kit, you are going to get 50 or 75, something like that. And the $4.99 kit, you're going to get 100 of these, all right? All right, so you're going to get 100 of those hooks. And lastly, you are going to have Fashion Fix, all right? Fashion Fix, this is a Stylus Tip Card. There you go, the Stylus Tip Card. And what this is the Stylus, Paparazzi Stylus, is going to give you tips on what you can pair the jewelry with. Clothes and let me read it. Who is the trend blend for? What are its stands out features? Why are these pieces paired together? How should this trend blend be worn? All right, so you're going to have stylist tips arrive at your house when you subscribe to the Fashion Fix. That's a whole different topic, which I'm not going to explain here in this video. But what you see there, that is a Fashion Fix, all right? This is a Simply Santa Fe Fashion Fix, and they are jewelry that are paired together, and you can sell them all together. So this is one set, all right? And in the back side, you're going to see each piece of jewelry and the explanation of each one. So if you've always wanted to learn about fashion and all that stuff, you're going to have these stylist tips in your front door. And they are amazing for you to learn and know how to accessorize jewelry. All right. And then you're going to get this one. It's like a little, it's a poster. The same one, but it's a poster. It's much more bigger. So you can show these off at your shows or people to show them to other people, all right? So these two are going to come in. You do need to know that in your 99 kit, you're only going to get a set, all right? From the 35 pieces, four of those pieces are from the Fashion Fix. You're going to get only one set. For example, if you get these papers, you are going to get this set of jewelry in your in your starter kit. So the 99 kit gets only one. The $2.99 kit gets 3 of these, and the $4.99 kit gets 4 of these. All right. So this is amazing. This is amazing, and you get the jewelry, guys. All right. So from the $2.99 kit, you have 120 pieces. So you know that 3 sets of these are going to be included in those 120 accessories. And then you have the $4.99 kit, and you know that 5 sets of these are going to be included in your starter kit. All right. So this is really good, a really good tool for you. So those are the things that are going to arrive in your starter kit. I really wish you could join my team. My team is Fearless Pink Tribe. I'm going to write the link in the bottom so you can join my team, and I can call you up and we can start planning and establishing your goals for Paparazzi. This has been a huge blessing in my life, and I hope it's a blessing for your life too. So I hope this is helpful for you. Remember to click on the link if you want more information. Then you can find each one of the starter kits detailed, what comes in each starter kit detailed, but I showed you here what's coming. All right, so thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this. I hope I see you on my team, Fearless Pink Tribe. The link is in the bottom. Thank you for being here.